your favorite movie?
Let's show them all.
The truth is, evil doesn't die.
Creepiest damn thing.
What the?
It was like the size of a dinosaur.
Oh, that's badass.
The Avengers.
Us mightiest heroes. Smash.
I'm a huge fan of the way you lose control and turn into an enormous green rage monster.
Thanks.
Come on, life sounds. Let's go.
Okay.
Mic down, mic down. There you go. Now go.
You think I've never done this before? Ready?
Hey, wait a sec. Ready?
5, 4, 3. Hi, I'm Angela Vidal.